Hi Zesties. You guys are probably tired of me eating these pot stickers, right? But I'm busy and these are really nice, easy, cheap, delicious meals, so whatever. And I'm excited. I'm trying the pomegranate acai Waterloo. Let's just take a sip of that first. That one's good. Okay. Look at that, nice and crispy. And my gyoza sauce is on point today. I put chili paste in it today. Dang. That gyoza sauce is good. And this is really good. This might be the best so far. This might be better than tropical fruit. But I'm not quite ready to say that. Oh, Zesties, I'm so busy. I don't even know when I'll have time to really get back to cooking. And I regret not mukbanging all my meals. But like I said before, when I started, cooking, and then people started saying, oh, you need to make like a cooking channel. Everyone was also saying, no one watches long videos anymore. They're pointless, whatever. But these full-length mukbangs are the only types of videos that get me subscribers and followers. What do you guys think? Tell me, Zesties. So, like, obviously, I'm eventually, if I want to take this seriously, I'm eventually going to have to edit, get better equipment, edit, stuff like that, right? Dang, that looks good. Focus. But, like, but I have seen people comment before and say that they like the lack of editing, or the fact that I'm just doing a straight up mukbang, no editing, no cutting out of the video. No, like, and there's this camera that like moves in automatically. One of my friends tells me that I should get this type of camera, right? The like camera that follows me around. But when I've seen videos of people using that camera, I'm like, that looks super weird to me. Because like the person will just be chilling and the camera will be doing this on them. Like going closer and closer and closer and like zooming in and focusing. And it just like looks kind of weird. So what do you guys think, Zesties? What is your opinion on editing of the mukbangs? Obviously, if I do cooking videos, recipes, That's gonna have to be edited. But the mukbangs themselves, to edit, or not to edit. And to get that camera that follows me around, I love Waterloo. Or do I not get the camera that follows me around? I love Waterloo though, like, I did start getting it because it was the cheapest canned soft drink at Walmart. And that's still the reason I continue to buy it. However, it's great and there's so many flavors. I haven't run out yet. I still have to try peach. I still have to try, there's a bunch of flavors I haven't tried yet. You know? And I'm curious if it's healthy or not. Because it says 0 calories, 0 sugar, just purified water and natural flavors, but I'm very skeptical of that. What are the natural flavors? I really like this char on this one, huh? Yum, yum, yum. I have to bite it open so the gyoza sauce can get inside. I did my thing with the gyoza sauce today. Let's see, what did it have? Soy sauce, sesame oil, rice vinegar, sugar, ground ginger, and calamansi, Filipino lemon. Which makes me miss my Filipino market. Ooh. Why did they have to close? Everywhere around here closes, like everywhere. And it hurts me most when they're Asian stores, you know, because like Tampa has more Asian stuff than Fort Lauderdale, which really surprises me. But like, we don't have such a large Asian population like California, you know. So when these places close, there's often not a substitution. Or like there is one Filipino market, but it's in St. Pete. Which, okay, Tampa and St. Pete, they're not that far away, but like, it's different when I could casually go to the Filipino market. Oops. Versus like making a trip out of it. You know what though? I think we're on our way to 1,000 Zesties. It's looking to me like we are totally on our way to 1,000 Zesties. I hope to any and all Floridian Zesties, that you're doing fine. Your homes were not damaged. My friends that live in Pinellas County, I'm pretty sure their home is destroyed, and I occasionally hear from them, but I think they still have, like, I don't even know if they have power, but or internet or cell service or anything. So and I'm super duper duper lucky where I am. So I just hope my Floridian Zesties are doing fine. Or my North Carolinian Zesties too. I forget about you guys, you know, because you guys usually don't get hit by hurricanes or not like that. But shout out to any North Carolinian Zesties. I hope you're all doing fine. Dang, that was good. It was also extra good because of the sesame oil I used. Pure sesame oil, which I don't really know what exactly makes it pure, but it's very good. Better than what I usually use. I definitely say try this one out. This one is really, really good. I feel weird now just drinking this. But I feel like for it to be a real mukbang, I need to consume everything that I placed in front of me, right? I almost got fast food today, but it was raining too hard. But you know what? I'm happy with my dumplings. I'm grateful for Walmart selection. Bye, Zesties.